downstairs to hold it up, and then we were going to extend the branches to the treehouse, so it looks like it's holding it. We used blacklight paint, and then I was going to paint on the wall some more leaves for some dimension, and then put more in the front of it, and everything's done with blacklight paint. Anytime we install lights in our projects, we like to use the Govee lights so it can be used on the app, and we can set it up with the clouds that are already downstairs and for parties or bedtime for the cat. We wanted to put the kitty food up high so that the dog wouldn't get it, so we got these other platforms off of Amazon that were nice little steps that he can also use for another exit off the tree if he wants to, and jump down on the mushroom. He figured it out right away. He was already jumping so high and so fast.